busting the stereotypes on lame office parties.
That's right, we're gonna turn a conference room and an office into a magical, wintry snow globe.
In an office, obviously you can't start a fire. I've got this log here, I've got a couple of sternos and these fun felt little pieces that look like fire. And then I nestled it in a bed of rocks. Now we got these really awesome big marshmallows that we're gonna put on our skewers. So what the guests will do, we'll grab a plate, grab a piece of graham cracker, and then I have caramellos here, we have peanut butter cups, and then we have tried and true plain old Hershey bars. We'll put that on top here, and then we'll roast our marshmallow. A little bit more, I like mine really charred. Okay, blow it out, put it down, s'mores on top. Look at that. I think we're ready to party.
I love this winter wonderland that we have created behind Snow Nate. And how we did it is you can see we hung some pieces and leaned some. And what these are is plexiglass. I just simply did a little outline of a Christmas tree or an evergreen tree, added some fairy lights using a drill, and I just love the depth effect. Adding some logs too to give that dimension when you look at it head on, he is walking in a winter wonderland.
I'm gonna make some white chocolate covered popcorn for our office party guests. So I'm gonna take this white chocolate and sprinkle some down first on our silicone mat, then we'll add the popcorn, and then more chocolate on top of that. And then we're gonna have fun. Just massage it. This is about covering the popcorn in chocolate, but you also don't want the popcorn to be one giant lump. We wanna keep them all separate, so it's a very light coat. Now we're gonna add some sprinkles, my favorite. Now for the final touch, I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of blue chocolate. So now we're gonna let this set up completely and we'll bust it up and put it in some fun little buckets.
Nice work, Joshua.
Thanks.